today's topic is desktop. Desktop is first screen of your Windows operating system. When you switch on your computer, operating system starts automatically. First, it will display login window. After entering correct login credentials, Windows display a welcome screen with login message, and it is followed by desktop. So this is my desktop area. It contains some small graphic symbols called icons. So all these are the icons of my desktop area. Here at the bottom there is a taskbar. Taskbar divided into different sections like start button, task view button, notification area, and at the extreme right pick button. So we will discuss them one by one. So first is start button. It is present at the bottom left corner of taskbar. So after clicking on start button, you will see list of different applications, and it is called start menu. You can use start menu to perform common tasks such as starting a program. Let's say if I want to open this application, so I can click on that and it will start. Searching files, shutting down the computer. See, there is an option here, power. After clicking on this, there are the options like sleep, shutdown, restart, and much more. It means you can perform different operations after clicking on start button. If you want to make changes in settings, you can do after clicking on that settings button. Yes, so all this about start button. Here at the middle section there are different icons also you can see. Before that we will discuss what is task view. So after clicking on task view, it will display different tasks. It means whatever activities you done recently, that it will display after clicking on that task view button. So in the middle section there are different programs that you commonly used. You can pin them to the taskbar or you can unpin them also. So how to do this? Let's say if I use frequently WhatsApp, so just right click on that icon and there is option pin to start. Click on that. So it will display here. It means whatever frequently used icons I can add to that area. Also I can do pin to taskbar. So see, that also added to the taskbar also. It means I have added to this, to the start button also and to the taskbar also, right? If I don't want to that particular icon, so I can unpin them also, like just right click and unpin from taskbar, so it will remove from the taskbar. So when a program is active, let's say this program is active and this program is active. So below that, a lighter shade with a bar you can see under this icon also there is a bar, and under this icon also there is a bar. It means these two icons are active now. So all this about middle section of your taskbar. At the right side there is a notification area. Here you will see different notifications regarding operating system, like network connectivity, battery, fully charged, then volume, your language, then day and time, you can change it. Yes, so all these regarding the notification area. And here at the extreme right there is a pick button. So let's say if I open this, some windows are open already. So to minimize all the open program, we use pick button to see our desktop only. Yes, so let's say this is open, and this folder is also open. So to minimize all the open up programs, we will use pick button. So see, yes, so we can minimize all the open up program windows and view the desktop. For that purpose we are using pick button. So all these regarding desktop and its different elements. Thank you.